Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. As you can see, we have really great device right here, and now I'll show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the gallery recycle bin. So here on our device we have two Photos applications, Google Photos and Realme Photos. If you want to recover deleted photo from the Realme Photos, you need to open Albums, then find here Recently Deleted, it's a trash bin, and here you will see your recently deleted photos. You can repair this photo, you can recover, or I don't know, move it back in normal folder during 30 days, because after this time your photos and videos will be permanently removed from your device. So as you can see here, I have this photo and I have here two buttons, restore and delete. By clicking delete, you will remove this photo permanently and you will not to have opportunity to recover this photo after clicking this button. By clicking restore, you can restore this photo and this photo will appear in your normal gallery. If you want to use Google Photos, if you are using Google Photos as standard gallery application, wait for it. Hello. Back up. Here you have your all photos too, and if you will delete this photo, you will move this photo to trash. Then open library and here you will see trash bin. Click on it and here you will see all your removed photos. And here the same situation, if you will remove photo will here in trash bin during 30 days, and if you have Google Backup enabled, you will have removed photo here during 60 days, and during this time you can restore any photo to your device. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.